In today's episode of 100 Day Challenge on YouTube, we are trying oats hair masks for the hair. Yes, I haven't tried oats here on YouTube before, but I really don't remember if I've tried oats on my hair before. But I think I have, but I don't remember the specific feeling. But I know that oats is very slimy, and I knew that was going to give me good results. So this is how I did it. I just boiled the oats and then blended it. The mistake I did was that I didn't strain it. In fact, I don't know why I thought that the residue will leave my hair easily. It didn't leave my hair at all. So I added some honey and then my hair oil. I had just little quantities of these two, but if I had more, I'd have added more to it. Now, why am I using this as a deep conditioner? Yes, I used a certain shampoo that is really ripping, like it can rip off every moisture in your hair. So I needed something that contained or something that could moisturize my hair. So this is the deep conditioner, the oats hair mask in my applicator bottle, and my hair is freshly washed and very dry. When I say very dry, I mean it is so dry. So my goal was to just deep condition it with this whole hair mask in order to bring back some moisture into the hair. I was just enjoying the bounce of my hair, guys. So yes, it was really an easy application, guys. Like, this is the first time or one of the first times that I've seen my hair become very curly. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I use in the course of the video, you see me use a certain brush on my hair or a comb on my hair, and the result was given. I've been seeing people use these combs on their hair, and I always thought that I have a different hair texture, so I'll not get those results. But when I use this oat mask and then I combed it, the result was so beautiful. So why should you use oat on your hair, guys? Oat is something that you can use to moisten your hair if your hair is very dry. If you want something like a deep moisture, you can use oats because it's going to give you the results that you want. Just follow the procedure I showed earlier in the video. Boil and blend and add your other humectant properties products or ingredients. That is the honey and then the hair oil. Yes, they're able to help the oats work very well. Yes, so when you're done, you just twist it like you see me do, so that it doesn't, join together and you get confused at which part you have applied to and which part you have not applied to. So oats contains protein and it can help your hair reduce breakage if you are someone who is experiencing breakages a lot. When you deep condition your hair with oats, it's able to give your hair some protein and some minerals. It also contains a nutrient called the lipids, and is able to strengthen your hair very well. Guys, when I was doing this, I just could, like, it was feeling so good. I think it's something we should all try. The slip is what I was dying for. Like, anytime I put it in my hair, it just slips through. I couldn't really help it. This is the You can use this treatment and you'll not even be needing an actual comb, because your hands just glides through the hair naturally. Easily. You don't really need to be doing much. Yeah. The good news about oats is that if you have an irritated scalp, like scalp itchiness, you are just having scalp upset, you are not comfortable with your scalp, anytime you are there, you feel like you need to touch your scalp because it's itching or it's feeling uncomfortable, you can use oats. It's going to help with the nutrients in oats, like anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties. That's how I'm supposed to put it. It has anti-inflammatory properties that's able to soothe the scalp very well. If you're someone dealing with scalp irritation, like itchy scalp or excessive itchy scalp, I feel like you can use oats as a detangler. If I want to detangle my hair, I'll go in for this. So it's serving as both a detangler and a pre-poo treatment, not necessarily a pre-poo, a deep conditioner treatment. Yeah, so it really helps with detangling the hair. My hands, or you can tell in the video that the hands just glides through it. I wish you were the one touching my hair. It was so nice and all comfy and all that. I really was feeling my hair at this point. Apart from helping to detangle the hair, I mentioned earlier that it's able to help with dry hair. Because I said I use a very dry shampoo. The shampoo is a dandruff, helps control dandruff. So it's, the whole point of dandruff is to make sure that there are no excess oils on your scalp to accommodate dandruff. So it rips off every oil on your scalp. So if you don't use anything that is able to help bring back moisture into your hair, you're going to end up breaking your hair so much. Well, I always say that one of the best way to soften your hair is to deep condition it. Yes, and oats can be something you can use to soften your hair naturally. That is by deep conditioning it. So I still always tell people that don't say that my hair is too hard. No. You are not deep conditioning your hair. That is why you are making such generic statements. your hair is too hard, it's not a problem. You have to deep condition your hair to bring back some softness and some moisture into your hair. Sometimes when you study carefully at people, say, you realize that they don't really have a major problem. They are just creating problems for themselves. And whatever they are facing, there are things that they can just do, a few things that are common to curb those challenges that they have. But they end up finalizing everything and giving up that their hair is this, their hair is that, rather than finding techniques to take care of those challenges. So you may ask me that who can use oats deep conditioner? Well, everyone can use oat deep conditioner, whether your hair is natural, relaxed, processed, chemical. I mean, any way you can use oats deep conditioner on the hair. I am always saying that it's also good for kids. It's also good for any hair type, whether your hair is 4A, 4B, 4C, high porosity, low porosity, medium porosity. Literally everyone can use oats. I think it's even best for low porosity hair, yes, because it's actually deeply moisturizes the hair, but it's important to introduce heat to the hair. Yes. So I apply this throughout the hair, and this part was when I said, okay, let me try using the comb on my hair for the first time. Mind you, I've not used this particular comb before. I don't know even why I got it. Sometimes, you buy certain things that you have no use for them. You just want to buy it and then increase the number of things that you own. And that is when I got a certain comb. I'll be using it shortly on my hair. Like, I just couldn't stop admiring my hair. Oh, it was something that I just couldn't stop admiring. So this is me just trying to glide the comb to see. Can you see how easy it was? I was enjoying. I'm like, wow, this is the easiest detangling I have ever done. And this is not even the best tool for detangling my type of hair. But see how smooth it went. It's all because of the oat hair mask that I did on it, or that is on it. Yeah. So when you finish, do all to twist everything as you see me do. The whole point is to deep condition the hair. You cannot put this in your hair and leave it on like that. It's not going to work. It's not going to do justice to what you want the hair to do. Yeah. So when you apply this treatment, you have to wear a steamer cap and then wait for about 15 to 20 minutes for the product to penetrate well into the hair, the scalp, and everywhere before you rinse it out. Do not be quick to rinse something this good out and then not enjoy the benefit that you could have gained from. How often can you use this oats deep conditioner? You can use it every time you wash your hair, or you can use it, let's say if you wash your hair once a month, you can use it once a month. Then the following month, instead of using oats mask, you can use another deep conditioner and then try it again the following month. So let's say in a year there are 12 months, you can use it 6 times in a year. Yes, I hope you get the concept. Yeah. So guys, this is the final result. I just massaged the hair because it was too heat on my hair. I mean, I was about to now wear my steamer cap and then proceed to do whatever I needed to do. Like, the way my hair was feeling so soft, I didn't even want to take my hands out of my hair. And I understand why some people enjoy their hair so much. They can't even take their hands out of their hair. Yeah. So after I wore the steamer cap for 15 minutes, just did a few things. After I waited for 15 minutes, this is the result. The hair was, can you see the way I'm just putting my hands inside and and removing the twist? It was so easy to do. So after a year, I just went straight to the shower and washed everything out. And I might say I really suffered because there were a lot of oats dust and oat chunks in my hair. So I really struggled to get rid of them. So I always say that when you are doing this treatment, please do well to strain your mask, else you are going to spend or waste so much time in getting them out of your hair. So yes, here comes the end of the video on using oat hair mask on natural hair. You can use it on any type of hair. This is my day 15 of posting on YouTube. I missed some days, but then I'm not seeking perfection. Yes, so I'll keep showing up as and when. I'll try my best to stay consistent back to back, but if I can't, I will not fall off completely. I'll definitely come back. Yes, so do well to subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you are seeing my face and you're seeing my hair. Yes, my name is Lydia and I share hair tips. It's raining here, so I don't know if you can hear the sound of the rain in the video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.